Rajini Murugan Tamil movie summary. Rajini Murugan is an unemployed youth from Madurai who spends his days roaming around with his best friend Thotatri and supplying food to his grandfather Ayyankalai, a highly respected gentleman who has large properties of land. Ayyankalai wants to divide all his properties among his children and grandchildren, but except Rajini Murugan and his father Malligrajan, who is the headmaster of the local school, the rest of the family is settled abroad and never visit Madurai. Meanwhile, following the advice of an astrologer, who claimed that Rajini Murugan will get married and be rich within 3 months, Rajini Murugan starts wooing his childhood sweetheart Karthika Devi. Karthika's father Neelkandan, an ardent fan of Rajnikant, was the best friend of Malligrajan and had given Rajini Murugan his name when he was born, but fell out with Malligrajan and his family due to a misunderstanding involving Rajini Murugan and Karthika when they were youngsters. Since then, Rajini Murugan and Karthika are not on speaking terms, and Neelkandan forbids any sort of contact between the two. Nevertheless, Rajini Murugan opens a tea stall outside Karthika's house to stay close to her and follows her day and night. The stall is later destroyed by a customer who pulls down the shop in the process of taking a banana. Later, he and Thotatri start a real estate company. A gangster, Ezharai Mukan, whose only work is to extort 100,000 rupees from businessmen, tries to swindle the same amount from Rajini Murugan, but fails and ends up paying 100,000 rupee to him. Ayyankalai, who is fed up with Rajini Murugan's antics, decides to immediately divide his properties so that Rajini Murugan can benefit from his share of the property. He fakes his death, which forces his children and grandchildren to come to Madurai. Mukan claims that he too is a grandson of Ayyankalai, through the son of Ayyankalai's first wife, and starts demanding his share of the property. This leads to confrontation between Rajini Murugan and Mukan, and their feud is soon brought before the Panchayat. The Panchayat declares the verdict in favor of Ayyankalai and Rajini Murugan. Mukan, accepting defeat, receives 100,000 rupees from Rajini Murugan as compensation. It is then revealed that Mukan staged the whole drama to get back his 100,000 rupees from Rajini Murugan. Meanwhile, Karthika accepts Rajini Murugan's love and Neelkandan also begins to approve their relationship. In the end, Ayyankalai reveals that he does have a grandson through his first wife's son. The grandson is revealed to be none other than Bosepandi from Varutpatha Valibar Sangam. Bosepandi refuses to accept his share of his grandfather's property, advising him and his family not to sell the property and instead convert it into a 5-star hotel and hand it over to Rajini Murugan. Ayyankalai and Rajini Murugan agree with him.